Students, welcome back in the session of social studies. So today we are going to read about climatic or heat zones of the earth. So we'll start from the introduction part. The earth is divided into three climatic or heat zones. This division is based on the intensity of sunlight received by a particular place and also the rainfall. So the shape of the earth is also important. Since it is curved, the rays of sun have to travel a greater distance and in slanting manner to reach the higher altitude. So as we all know, there are three main zones in our earth. One is torrid zone, that is also called tropical region. Another is temperate zone, the temperate region. The frigid zone, that is polar region. So we'll start with our first zone, that is torrid zone. The torrid zone refers to the areas of the earth near the equator, which is generally hot and humid. Thus these areas are called torrid zone. These places also get heavy rain all the year round. The torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, due to which it is also called tropical zone. Next zone is temperate zone. The temperate zone are not very hot because sun rays falling in the zone are slanted and cause less heat than in the torrid zone. So there are two temperate zones. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. The south temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. In the temperate zone, the four seasons spring, summer, autumn, and winter are clearly felt. Next is our frigid zone. The frigid zone is located one each in the two hemispheres. The frigid zone in northern hemisphere lies between Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and in the southern hemisphere between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. This is the coldest area on the surface of the earth and covered with snow throughout the year. So climate, this area has an extremely cold climate. This is because the sun rays are slanting and give very little heat. Summers are very short and cool, and winter are long and serve. The seas and lands in Arctic and Antarctic Circle are frozen throughout the year. This land is famous for its midnight sun. So students, this is all about this session. Thank you so much.